cut. Why is there a big red button doing here? Oh, I have no idea why is there a red button doing here. Can I press it? A? I don't think you should press that red button. So, do you know what happened last time? He just pressed that button back on ANTV logo bloopers, Yevgeny channel logo bloopers, and Jason's Delta Entertainment logo bloopers. People exploding his tire in the whole tire.
I don't know why is there a
Can I press it?
You just press it. Nah, this will be a trap. I wonder what this button is.
At least I'm still alive.
23.
Okay, how in the hell did that button get exploded the whole country? Like, how is that even possible? But still, I tried to tell her, but she didn't even listen. Nobody even cares about it.